Dear friends watching the Songkwe Moinge channel, I wish you health, peace, and gentle joy in every stage of life. Hopefully, with each passing day, we all find a bit more lightness and happiness, no matter our age. Have you ever wondered why some women after turning 60 still look vibrant, cheerful, and full of life, while others feel exhausted, dry, emotionally distant from their partners, and silently lonely? I used to think that was just luck from above, until I discovered a big secret: vaginal health after menopause, a reality most women go through, but very few dare to talk about. That's why today, I want to share a topic that's sensitive but extremely important: vaginal dryness after 50, and how to improve it naturally, safely, right at home. If you or someone you care for is going through this, don't skip the video. Toward the end, I'll share an old traditional remedy, a simple method that once helped a wife reclaim her smile and rekindle love with her distant husband. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe so you won't miss other valuable tips on health and wellness. And if this topic speaks to you, please leave a comment below. Type 1 if you found it helpful and want to share it. Type 0 if you feel it's not quite relevant. First, let's understand why vaginal dryness often happens after 50. When entering perimenopause and menopause, estrogen levels drop quietly but significantly. One major symptom is dryness, rarely discussed but deeply affecting daily life. Many women told me they feel embarrassed even mentioning it. But honestly, it's a completely normal part of aging. And if we understand it correctly, we absolutely can improve it. First cause: decreased estrogen levels. Estrogen is a female hormone that helps maintain moisture, softness, and elasticity in the vaginal lining. After menopause, estrogen drops dramatically. Without it, the vaginal area becomes dry, thin, less lubricated, and more prone to irritation. Many women feel pain during intimacy, or even itching and discomfort in daily life. I read a study from the World Health Organization, WHO, stating that over 60% of postmenopausal women experience some level of vaginal dryness. So if you're noticing these signs, you're definitely not alone. Second cause: prolonged stress and anxiety. It might sound unrelated, but mental health and vaginal health are closely connected. When we're stressed, sleep-deprived, or constantly worried, the body produces more cortisol, a hormone that suppresses our endocrine system. This leads to even lower estrogen, making dryness worse. Many women say the older they get, the more they worry about their children, finances, or health. But the more we stress, the more our hormones get disrupted, leading to countless unnamed symptoms. Third cause: medication or improper hygiene. If you're taking medication for blood pressure, diabetes, depression, or allergies, pay attention. These often cause reduced vaginal lubrication as a side effect, leading to dryness and discomfort. Also, hygiene habits matter. Overwashing, using scented soaps, high pH cleansers, or deep douching can all disrupt the natural vaginal microbiome, leading to dryness or even infections. The truth is, the vaginal area doesn't need aggressive or frequent washing. What matters most is gentle, proper care that maintains pH balance. Fourth cause: aging and a sedentary lifestyle. Many women past 50 move less, eat poorly, and lack good fats and vitamins. This throws off hormone regulation and reduces blood flow to the pelvic area. Poor circulation means the vaginal lining doesn't get enough nourishment, leading to faster aging and dryness. Lack of sleep, poor nutrition, minimal movement, and little social interaction. These small things quietly make our bodies decline without us even noticing. So, dryness is not something we have to suffer through or simply accept. It's actually the body's gentle reminder that we need to pay more attention to ourselves, from hormones, diet, and sleep to mental well-being. And the good news is, there are many natural, safe, and effective ways to improve this condition. In the next part, I'll walk you through each method, and you can choose the one that suits you best. Dear friends, To ease vaginal dryness naturally and safely in later years, we don't need synthetic hormones. We can support our bodies daily with familiar, nourishing foods. Soybeans, soy sprouts, and unsweetened soy milk contain isoflavones, a plant-based estrogen that helps balance hormones, reduce dryness, hot flashes, and insomnia. Using them 3 to 5 times a week, preferably in unsweetened and non-GMO form, is more effective and safer. You can also include sweet potato leaves. Help cool the liver and support hormonal balance. Gotu kola, anti-inflammatory, soothes the vaginal area and improves skin. Mugwort, helps with sleep and menstrual discomfort. Only 2 to 3 times per week, 1 small cup per use, not for extended periods. Note: avoid mugwort if you have high blood pressure, liver conditions, or are pregnant. With the right diet and consistent habits, we can absolutely support vaginal health without relying on expensive medications. Dear friends, after midlife, the body naturally loses its ability to retain moisture due to aging skin and mucous membranes. That's why drinking enough water each day is a simple way to nourish the body from within, including vaginal tissues. Aim for 1.5 to 2 liters of water daily, spread throughout the day. Prioritize warm water in the morning and evening. If plain water feels bland, try roasted black bean water, wild tea, or herbal drinks. They're easier to drink and support hormone balance. Daily light exercises like walking, yoga, or 10 to 15 minutes of Kegel exercises help improve blood flow and hydration in the vaginal area. Proper hygiene is also essential. Use only warm water to wash gently. Avoid scented soaps, don't douche, and wear breathable cotton underwear. You can also supplement with evening primrose oil, vitamin E, or herbal teas like ginseng leaf or motherwort to help regulate hormones and reduce dryness. Always choose products from trusted sources and consult your doctor if you're on medication. In short, just a few small changes in diet, movement, and self-care can significantly improve postmenopausal dryness without the need for costly treatments. And in the next part, I want to explore something that might seem small but plays a big role in maintaining connection and intimacy in marriage during our golden years. That is emotional well-being and open communication in intimacy. Often, it's not about lost love. It's about not knowing how to speak up. And the silence slowly creates distance over the years. As I mentioned at the beginning, today I want to share an old traditional remedy. Simple, natural, yet surprisingly effective, especially for those experiencing dryness, emotional distance, or feeling disconnected in their relationship. I learned this from an elderly friend. She told me that after years of feeling her husband grow distant, she herself became dry, uncomfortable, and lost confidence. So she started avoiding intimacy. But after consistently using this method for 3 months, not only did she improve her vaginal health, she also regained her smile and the warm, loving gaze from her husband that she thought had faded long ago. Here's how to do it. Prepare a handful of fresh mugwort leaves, 1 spoonful of crushed ginger, 1 spoonful of rock salt, and about 1.5 liters of water. Boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool slightly. Then use the steam to gently cleanse the vaginal area for about 10 minutes. The leftover water can be used to rinse externally. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, preferably at night before bed. You'll gradually notice a warming effect, less irritation, better sleep, and a more relaxed state of mind. Many people think this is just a folk remedy, but both ginger and mugwort have warming, antibacterial properties, help improve circulation, and gently stimulate natural moisture production. For postmenopausal women, internal warmth is key to reducing dryness and slowing aging in intimate areas. One note of caution: only use this externally. Do not douche or use it too often. If you have infections or chronic conditions, consult a doctor before starting. Dear friends, getting older doesn't mean becoming distant or dry. If we care for ourselves, listen to our bodies, and open up to our partners, every gap can be bridged. Sometimes, just a simple pot of herbal steam, a quiet evening, can rekindle a flame we thought had gone out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Song Kwe Moinge channel to support more content. And if you've tried something that works or have questions, feel free to comment below. I'll read every message and respond as best I can. Wishing you joy, health, and lasting love, no matter your age.